name is Anvi. Today we're gonna do a water experiment. Let's see what we need. We need a glass of water, a candle, a plate, food coloring, so because you'll not see the water clearly, and matchsticks. Dangerous. So let's start. I'm pouring the water in this plate. Okay. Add some water. So now I put the candle inside. Let me put 1 drop of food coloring. If you don't want to put, you cannot put, because I want to put, I'm putting. Now let's mix it. I don't want to get this nest, so I do like this. My mom helped me to lit the candle. You know what I'm doing? I'm going to put this glass down there. Let's wait. It off. Why the water isn't coming out? Pick. Did you find the water raised? Ooh. Big experiment. Did you know when they lift it, it's still sticking to it? That's so fun. Hope you liked the experiment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.